Hey guys, welcome back. You may have seen before, or you're about to see. I'm not quite sure where we're at on that, but we just did a boat. I don't know if you know, we do boats. We do vinyl graphics on all kinds of things, like the boats, and I actually doing an airplane later in the week, so that'd be fun to catch. But we just finished it up. We did a Flexi Shield paint protection film, which is kind of unique because it had like the customer wanted a bunch of metallic. If you see the before pictures, they were super faded and old and red, and we made it look totally new. You know, the customer was super cool with letting us kind of do what we wanted, and we cleaned it up for him, and we put the stripe over an existing stripe to give it an upgraded version of what it looked like stock. So when you get to see it, you'll notice that it looks kind of new and popping, but also it's that self-healing stuff I told you about that has a longer warranty. It's harder to puncture. So if you park a boat out like me, you'll bump the dock a little bit every now and then, and it'll be fine. Mostly. I did tear a hole through mine eventually, but I didn't do a very good job. So if you get a chance to check it out, you can look online. You can see it there. You can subscribe to see more stuff that we do to different things, like that airplane coming up. I think that's going to be pretty exciting. So we'll try to get the camera out there. I'll bring the camera along, and when we do that, you'll get to see those too. I'm trying to think of anything crazy that we've done. We've done a ton of boats, and just you'd be surprised the stuff we get into. We've done big trucks that have like big gas tanks on them, all kinds of wild stuff. But if you've got something you want or an idea that you have and you want to personalize it, just let us know. Just comment or whatever and subscribe, and we'll make it happen.